5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is Mr. TikTok. As we all know, on Tuesdays, Microsoft updates Microsoft Edge Chromium and Microsoft Edge developer channels, and yesterday they updated them, and I really liked what they are doing and adding to it. The biggest thing from yesterday to me was the immersive reading. It was one of the things I was waiting from the old Microsoft Edge HTML engine. Basically, when you enter a website that is a news article or blog post, a little icon will appear on the right side of the address bar, and once you click it, it will remove all ads and all distractions so you can focus on your reading. And not only that, if your eyes are tired or if you have a disability on your eyes, you can click read out loud, and as it is reading to you, it highlights where you are going to make it easier to follow. I don't know about you guys, but I use read out loud on Microsoft Edge a lot. Sometimes you can be listening to an article and reading another one at the same time. I love it. This was Mr. TikTok. Until next time, if you liked the video, please subscribe.